Monkeys wake up already exhausted. They know exactly what to do, but can't move. One scroll turns into an hour. Then monkeys hate themselves for it. If this sounds familiar, monkeys aren't lazy. They're caught in the most invisible trap of modern life: overstimulation. Today, I'm breaking down 7 traps that keep monkeys stuck and how gorillas do it differently. The last one? 99% of monkeys fall into it and never realize. Let's go. Part 1. The monkey brain isn't broken, it's just too loud. Think of the monkey brain as a laptop. Right now, it's running. 100 browser tabs, 30 notifications, 10 to-do lists, and one endless loop of anxiety in the background. Monkeys aren't lazy. The CPU is fried. But here's the brutal truth. The modern world isn't designed for focus. It's engineered for distraction. Every app, every notification, every short video is competing for the monkey's attention. And the monkey brain still thinks it's in the jungle, looking for food. It has no idea how to handle infinite information streams, so it does the only thing it can. It crashes. This isn't a character flaw. It's a design mismatch. Ancient hardware trying to run modern software. And right now, the monkey is losing. Part 2. The dopamine hijack. How the monkey brain got kidnapped. Every time monkeys scroll, watch a video, or get a like, the brain releases a small hit of dopamine. Dopamine is the reward chemical. It tells the monkey, "That felt good, do it again." But here's the problem. Dopamine works like sugar. The more you get, the more you need to feel the same high. So monkeys start losing focus faster, feeling anxious for no reason, and getting bored with everything. This isn't laziness, it's dopamine desensitization. The monkey brain got used to high stimulation. Now normal tasks feel painfully boring. It's not lazy, it's dopamine debt, brain bankruptcy. Part 3. The 7 traps. How many have monkeys fallen into? Trap 1. The information overload trap. Monkeys collect everything: screenshots, articles, videos, because it feels productive. Every save gives a tiny dopamine hit that says, "Good job, you learned something." But that's a lie. It's just mental hoarding. The monkey brain confuses collecting information with understanding it. Gorillas do the opposite. They filter first. If it won't be used in the next 48 hours, it doesn't get saved. Fewer inputs, deeper focus. That's how gorillas stay sharp in a noisy jungle. Trap 2. The just checking lie. Monkeys say they're checking one thing. 20 minutes later, they're watching vacation photos from someone they don't even like. Social media algorithms are built to hijack monkey attention. One link becomes 10 tabs, becomes an hour of blank staring. Gorillas close everything unrelated before starting work. One window, one task, one focus. Focus isn't a gift, it's protected territory. Trap 3. The energy crash, the most misunderstood one. Monkeys know what to do, but can't start. Everyone calls them lazy. But the truth? The nervous system is fried. Chronic overstimulation drains executive function, the part that helps monkeys initiate and finish tasks. Gorillas don't think finish. They think, start for 5 minutes. Once they begin, momentum carries them forward. Action creates energy. Waiting kills it. Trap 4. Perfectionism in disguise. Monkeys keep editing, adjusting, waiting until it's ready. But it's never ready. Because perfectionism isn't a standard. It's fear. It whispers, if it's not perfect, they'll judge you. Gorillas make the ugly draft first. No matter how bad it looks, they finish it. You can edit garbage, but you can't edit a blank page. Trap 5. Rest guilt. Monkeys are exhausted but refuse to rest because rest feels like weakness. That's the most toxic lie of all. Even machines need cool-down periods. Even athletes need recovery days. Monkeys who never rest aren't strong. They're breaking down. Gorillas treat rest as non-negotiable. High performers don't work the longest. They recover the fastest. Trap 6. The learning loop. Monkeys love just one more course, one more podcast, one more video. Learning feels safe, because there's no risk of failure. But endless studying is just procrastination in disguise. Gorillas learn by doing. They test ideas in the real world within 24 hours. Write a post, try an experiment, teach someone else. Action is the final stage of learning. Knowledge that never leaves the brain becomes dead weight. Trap 7. Waiting for the right feeling. The deadliest one. Monkeys wait to feel motivated before they act. But that's backwards. Motivation isn't the cause of action. It's the result of it. Gorillas move first. Feelings follow. Yes, gorillas feel fear, doubt, resistance, but they take the first step anyway. Open the file. Write the line. Press record. Once you start, the brain takes over. Part 4. From monkey to gorilla, the system shift. So what's the real difference? Monkeys chase bananas. Gorillas build orchards. Monkeys live in reaction mode. Notification pops up, click it. New thing appears, chase it. Quick hit available, take it. Gorillas live in system mode. Design environments that protect focus. Build processes that run automatically. Replace willpower with momentum. Monkeys start over every day. Gorillas build systems that work even on bad days. Here's the truth. Feelings come and go. Systems compound. Monkeys react to life. Gorillas design it. And that's why gorillas win the long game. Your next move. Start today. If you've made it this far, you're already different. Start small. 1. Digital detox. Remove social media from your home screen. Keep only tools. 2. Deep work block. 1 hour a day, all notifications off. One task only. 3. 5-minute launch ritual. Clean desk, write 3 goals, take 3 breaths. Small systems, big results. Monkeys aren't lazy. They're overloaded, drowning in noise, starving for direction. Modern life rewards reaction, not reflection. It trains monkeys to chase dopamine hits, but never to build systems that last. Gorillas don't play that game. They build frameworks that outlive feelings. While monkeys sprint for likes, gorillas plant systems that compound. The jungle laughs at slow movers, until the slow ones own the trees. You don't need more bananas. You need better systems. Guard your focus. Stay calm while others scramble. Welcome to Banana Empire, where silence wins and systems rule. Subscribe if you're done being reactive. Join the empire. Build your system.